Hi guys, today I want to show you our new magazine for the Arms S510. So this one is a factory mag, 10 shots in 22, and this one is the aftermarket magazine from Maple Custom Products. So as you can see from outside, it's almost identical to the factory mag, and also functionally wise, it's pretty much the same. So we'll go ahead and try to load a couple of different pellets. So start with a wet cutter. So just drop it in, just like you do with a factory mag, and turn the wheel. Then try a JSB Exact Jumbo. Drop it in and turn the wheel. And let's try a super H point from RWS. And let's try slug. As you can see, no problem. And let's unload them, and I'll show you how it cycles in the gun. So you just insert it, cock your rifle, insert it, just like you do with the factory mag, clicks into place. So I'll show you how it's cycling. As you can see, there's a little window to show your remaining rounds. So push it forward. Zero resistance. So very smooth. Pushing with one finger here. Yep, so it just works like a factory mag. Then pull it out. There you go. Thanks for watching.